Hey, what's up? This is Matt from GoTherax. Today we're going to go over a banded bench press. So this is how to perform a bench press using a band. The idea is we like to use this as a warm-up. We're getting the shoulders activated, getting some shoulder stability before putting some weight on the bar and going through. So here's how we do it. We're going to go ahead and sit up on the bench. I'm going to take this band, I'm going to wrap it around the outside here. I'm then going to put pressure on it to the side, tuck those shoulder blades back behind me, bring it down and really get nice and tight tucked in here. So I've got the shoulder blades back behind me. What's touching the bench? My glutes, my shoulder blades, and the back of my head. Down and back. Maintaining that tension as I go. You can close your hands or you can keep them open. I tend to like to keep it open, and we're just holding that tension on the band as we go through a bench press movement. Keeping those shoulder blades tucked behind me with each rep. We do this for like 10 to 20 reps as a way to warm up. Again, choose a band that makes you struggle a little bit in terms of that shoulder stability, and try it out before your next bench press session. Thanks.